obubaka bwaffe okuwabula kwaffe. I've told you of Mr. Nyakana of Ruengaju near Fort Portal, who is just using 1 acre and doing so well. You can go there and visit him if he agrees. I used to tell you of Mrs. Kiza of Masaka, because that was one of the pioneers. I have not checked on her recently, but she had used that model very well. Recently, our son, the Honorable Byamukama of Kakumiro, our Minister of State for Works, has set up a very good demonstration personal farm from which he makes a profit of shillings 55 million per month. This 55 million is profits and not gross earnings. If you are making 55 million profit per month, this is shillings 660 million per year. That is Byamukama there. I don't know whether the picture can show the chicken and the eggs. If you can, Ugandans know me. Please, can you show the chicken? Those are the eggs now. That is Byamukama with his young wife. Those are eggs, egg trays. You call them trays. Singotulaga kunkoko. They are showing him Museveni. Museveni is well known. What is not known is chicken. Enkoko teziriwo bas kale tuzuvudeko. The press unit can later on another occasion bring the details. So this young man is getting a profit after deducting costs of 55 million shillings per month. People are dying to be in parliament, to do what, to look for money in parliament. Parliament is not a place of money. Money is in business. So the profits which Byamukama makes is much more than what you would get as a mpakasi for the government. As a rutich, that's what we call it in law. He's selling 300 trays of eggs per day, in addition to milk, bananas, etc. This is just on 4 acres, because Byamukama took the 4 acres model, which we have been talking about since the election of 1996. It was in the manifesto of the NRM, the 4 acres model. I had done the Chivaro, and in the manifesto I recommended, and the manifesto committee accepted and put it in the manifesto, 1996. But people don't pay attention. Now, this